this video is about my new check-in or camera smart bag which came in this box. Unboxing I have already done and I have put all my stuff. I am very surprised to see that small bag has so much space in it, and it can contain almost everything which you will need, and it is so flexible that you can change things inside it exactly the way you want. So here I will show you that. I think let's go to the day room. That will be a better place. Right here. Lighting is good over here. So here I am on my voyage from Pascagoula to going Panama, Las Minas. We'll be reaching in about 2-3 days. So I thought I received this bag last port, and interesting thing is I purchased it on Amazon US and gave my agent address who brought it on board. So it cost me exactly $199, which if I would have imported in India would have cost me like 27,000 to 30,000 bucks. On top of that I would have to wait like at least 1 month or so. So I'm not gonna go do a full review. I'm just gonna show what all I have managed to put inside this small 16-liter Pro backpack. Okay, right at the bottom is, as you can see, is the bands for tripod, but I have put my TRX training equipment. If you want to know more about it, I have already made a video on TRX because I don't travel without this. Alright, after that on the side you see I have been able to put my jacket. And on the front you have small 2 pockets. You can keep your mobile, keep your headset or some cables or chargers in it. There's one of identical on each side. Here I have kept a pen and a battery pack here, and this space has a headset in it. So pretty smart pack. Now features is on the sides. You can have some mounts, gorilla pod with your camera. You can secure it with these, and the material is premium, very nice, solid material, good chains quality. Now after that, if you open the front pocket, nice logo, premium material again, Shootout 14-liter Actionpack. So this has I have kept my certificates pouch here, and you can keep 2 hard disks in it. I've kept one, I still have to buy another, I don't have any. Then I can keep it here. So as you can see, I can put my hand, half of my arm almost inside the bag. So that much space you have in this compartment. It keeps falling because of the TRX at the bottom. Now after that, the second chain, this has my certificates file in it, but you can also keep your camera, gorilla pod stands. There's some kind of support inside the bag. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, and basically this pocket is for water bag. Water bags about a liter. You can secure it here. The hose of the water bag will come out from this pocket here, and it can go on your shoulder either side. Both are identical. It can go on your shoulder here, and you can have the pipe coming out here. So otherwise both sides are pretty much the same and same arrangements. The interesting part is these loops. you can use to attach your helmet or any other item which you like. Now the most interesting part, the main compartment does not open from the front. The main compartment opens from the back. Okay, when we go at the back, you can see very good quality, premium quality airflow, ventilation, and nice padding on it. This here you see you can attach to a trolley suitcase in airport, so you don't have to carry it. You can just attach it on the handle of your trolley suitcase. And main compartment, just bullet this one, blue tabs. And here you can see it's very useful. You can hold on to this, and with other hand you can pull this chain quite easily. This is very nice. Okay. Now when you open, you have this pouch which you can keep your passport and some documents. Here I have put my email ID here so that if I lose this bag, somebody can return me. And it has two interesting pouches here. These pouches are attached to a string so that you don't lose them during action. Same, there's one more smaller one for SD cards, pen drives and whatnot. So let's put it back in place and you screw down, but I am using it for my chain and some cleaning material, ear muff and etc. So you can use whichever way you like. Very flexible bag. Here I've kept my 13-inch MacBook Air quite easily. And now into the main compartment, you see they give you 4 bags here. You can organize your mounts, cameras, chargers and cables as I have done here. And the bottom one has 4 compartments, other one have only a center division which you can adjust little bit because it's velcro, so according to your requirements you can adjust. On the side I have kept my GoPro handle, and I'm just giving you some idea about how much space it has even after putting these 4 bags in it. And they, mind you, they are attached with velcro. You can easily remove them. If you don't want to carry all 4, you can remove, you can rearrange them whichever way you like. Very flexible. And Tenba, what does the Tenba say? They say never compromise. And really, after buying this bag, I can see that there is no compromise. It does exactly what you want this bag to do. And now we just have, this is a waist strap. If you don't need it, just completely comes off. You can keep it at home. If you want to use it, then it's quite nice and easily adjustable on the go. Okay, let's put it. Now it brings me to the last feature of this bag, which is on top. You can see they are made clear. So this one is basically for goggles, but you can also use it for keeping your wallet and small items. Okay, this came with the bag. It clearly explains you. Point A is zip top compartment, which I just showed you for sunglasses, mobile phone. The deep side pockets, both sides you can fit bottle, monopod, your camera with your gorilla pot. Middle sleeves fit hydration reservoir. Front sleeve can have a small iPad mini. You can hang your helmet on it. Bottom you can put your tripods. Also you can use at airports on your trolley suitcase. And then you have these pouches. You can arrange them whichever way you like. Not only that, it also has a Rear axis allows gear to be swiped out without removing rain cover. So in case it's raining and all your expensive cameras are well protected. Picture Shootout 14-liter action pack. It really is a action pack. Anybody looking for these kind of bag, I strongly recommend to go with Tenba. I don't think there's any better bags available than this. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bon voyage, happy sailing, Jai Hind, my friends.